Although this technique looks quite intensive for the hamstrings, it is a great way for getting into those sore and tight spots. You don't have to put too much pressure through, just light to moderate pressure, and then you can gently mobilize the soft tissue under your elbow. Certainly saves your thumbs, makes work easy for you, and can be very effective for pain relief as well. But before you do that technique, I recommend you start with a simple warm-up technique like this one, effleurage, using the flats of your hands. I've put some wax on the leg. You could use oil or massage cream. I'll put some links in the description below this video, which will show you some options of different massage mediums you could use. Here I'm using the back of my hand and tracking up the semitendinosus and semimembranosus. I can start just below the knee, come onto those tendons, and then move up into the muscle bellies of those two hamstring muscles. I can then do that on the outside, over the bicep femoris, moving up towards the attachment, the ischial tuberosity. To reduce fatigue in your fingers and wrists, you can use your forearm, which is a great way of saving your own energy and getting a nice broad sweep up over the hamstring muscle group. Next, watch this video showing on the screen here, which will tell you a bit more about cupping for hamstring tension.